You are bested, Alucard. Accept your defeat.
Have I been bested, sir?
Yes, you are bested. This is not a nightmare you will be awaking from. Your castles are plundered, your dominions in ruin, your servants destroyed. And the girl has fled this place forevermore.
Hardly. I've never been stronger. Me defeated? Defeated? You presume much in saying that. My strength is at its peak, Professor Hellsing.
So just shut up and pay attention, you miserable English sow.
A sow?
You call my master a sow and expect me to let you live?
Give me my orders, master. Give me your orders, master. I can kill. I can slaughter him without the slightest hesitation or hint of regret. I am a monster in his cage. I'm a monster and I will do what needs to be done. But what will you do, Sir Integra? My hand holds the weapon. My sight finds the target. I can chamber the round. I can pull back on the bolt and I can release the safety. But you must be the one to pull the trigger. So what will you do? So, what will you do? What are your orders, my master?
They are mine now.
Mine alone. My dear master to whom I belong. My darling servant, mine to mold. They are lost to you forever.
She will never be yours, Count.
A century ago, his reign of terror paralyzed London. 500 years ago, he held back the Ottoman Empire.
So, I see you for what you really are. You're pathetic, nothing but a useless, sniveling lump of meat.
These people are human beings.
I don't care what these things are. They came here to try and kill us. It no longer matters what they are. Now they must die. They'll be slaughtered. Corpses left to rot in their graves like filth. This is just the way it is. This is what has to be done. And no one has the power to change that. Not God, the devil, or you!
Shut up! You're nothing but the Hellsing family toy! A dog for the Church of England, not even fit to call himself a vampire!
Silence! You know damn well that the two of us are dogs. I'm a dog. Then you're dog food.
We don't bark unless we're told.
I am the bird of Hermes. Anderson, stop it! Do you know what that thing will do to you? You'll become one of God's monsters. Maintain your humanity. Don't succumb to power. Either side, it amounts to the same deal. Whether in the name of the divine or demonic, you're still a monster in the end. Do you intend to use that scrap of miracle to become nothing but a scrap of miracle yourself? This duel between us, would you really push it this far? Into the realms that lie beyond mortal life? A monster such as myself. A creature of such weakness that I could not bear the weight of a human life. If I am to be defeated, it must be by a human. Don't do it, human. Don't become a monster. A monster like me.
That is the true face of the vampire Alucard. For blood is the currency of the soul, the vehicle of life. Blood is the medium by which life can be transferred. To drink blood is to take the essence of a soul into oneself.
You consumed them! Your own soldiers! Your own subjects! To a fiend! A monster! A devil! You! Dracula!
Alucard, take heed. Here are your orders. Your silver gun shall stain the white army crimson. Your iron gun shall stain the black army scarlet. I would know my foes by the stains of red you leave upon their chests. Now search and destroy! Search and destroy! Now search and destroy! Search and destroy! Servant, you have your standing orders. Nothing's changed. You will search and destroy! Search and destroy! Any resistance you encounter is to be crushed! Run them down! Do not let any of them leave the island alive! Hellsing does not run from our enemies! Kill them all! I order you to leave nothing but bloody stains in your wake! Crush all obstacles that stand before you and push forward! Regardless of what it is. Regardless of who it is! Destroy anyone in your way.
My master, it shall be done as you command.
Alucard! Don't close your eyes! Heed my voice! Alucard!
Wait. This sunrise. I've seen this. Is this the past? Or is this happening now? I don't know. I remember. I remember. I've seen this dawn. At morning, the sky looks just like this. Every time I die, this is the vision that greets my eyes. And every time I think, how lovely that sunlight, which I forsook so many centuries ago. Dreaming. It was just a dream.
You have nothing. You are nothing.
It was nothing.
I'm giving you an order! Don't leave me!
I fear I must disobey you. Farewell, Integra.
What's it all mean, you ask? Alucard is kaput, gone, not alive, dead, or even undead. He has become abstraction. He is an imaginary number.
My Count, you have returned. You're home, my dear Count.
At your pleasure, my lady. Back forevermore, my Countess.